In this video, I will guide you through how to log out your Google account from any device step by step. First, I went to the desktop and opened Google Chrome. After that, I opened the profile that I wanted to sign out from the device. This opened my Google account interface inside Chrome. Next, I clicked on the account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, I selected Manage your Google account. The Google account dashboard opened. From the left side menu, I clicked on Security. Then I scrolled down to the section called Your Devices and clicked on Manage All Devices. Here, you can see all the devices where your Google account is currently signed in. On my screen, I could see 2 devices, one Windows computer and one Android phone, Google Pixel 8 Pro. I wanted to log out my account from the Google Pixel 8 Pro device, so I clicked on that device. After clicking on it, the Google password verification page opened. I entered my Google account password and pressed enter to confirm my identity. After verification, a new page opened where I saw the sign out option. I clicked on sign out. A confirmation pop-up appeared. I clicked on sign out again to confirm. Then I clicked OK. After completing these steps, my Google account was successfully logged out from the selected mobile device. I have also added a screen recording from my mobile phone in this video so you can clearly see that the account has been signed out from my Google Pixel 8 Pro device. And that is how you can remotely log out your Google account from any device for better security. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.